Hi guys, um welcome back to my channel. It's the girl Linda. So in today's video I am going to be reviewing this kids tablet. We got this tablet for my kid 2 months ago. So I'm going to give my honest review on this tablet. This is ATOUCH tablet. So I'm going to review this. So stay tuned. So guys, this tablet is an educational tablet for kids, Android version, and it is very, like I say, it's very nice for kids. It's okay for your children. Let me just show you what's inside the packet. As you can see, this is ATOUCH Q21. Q21 is the model for this tablet, and the good thing is that it came with a lot of stuff like for kids. Like this is a wristwatch. Yeah, this is a wristwatch, glasses. What is this? I don't know. Like pen. Okay, there's nothing inside, but I don't know what this is. Then this is pencil with eraser. Obviously the earpiece. This is the charger head. It's here, the charger, and this stuff. I can't remember the name of phone holder. Yes, this is a phone holder. Yeah, phone holder. Pouch. This is a masset, whatever, for carving out. I remember we used to use this those days. Sticker, and another sticker. This is glitters, and I think you can use these glitters for this. This is just, it's for fun, for your kids to engage in different activities. This is okay. Okay. So this is the manual. It's basically just like setting up a normal Android phone. There's nothing much, but I love these stuff that they added to it, which is very okay. These are the good reviews about it, guys. Now let me give my honest review about this tablet. When I got this tablet, actually my husband got this tablet, and they told him there were already pre-installed apps, kids apps in the tablet. So now when I got it, they just told him that all he has to do is to install the more apps, or you can just send kids songs to the tablet. So it came with YouTube app, it came with Play Store app. So when I went to Play Store app to install some apps, they are saying this phone isn't supported, because I tried putting my Google account. This phone doesn't support Play Store. That was what I noticed, because that was what they sent. It wasn't. I don't know, if you just put it, it's writing like error, and they'll just be speaking all those their long grammar. So, but this tablet doesn't support Play Store, and so I tried looking for other means. The next thing, the screen went blind, like for showing yellow screen. Yes. So we had to contact the person that sold it to us, because we bought it, we saw them through Instagram. So my husband went to their office at Ikeja also, and got this tablet. So we tried, I don't know, they repaired it, they sent it back to us. Now it happened again, so we had to reset this tablet. Then I had to figure out a means to send things to this tablet. As you can see, this tablet, this is the tablet. This is just the pouch. So I used Zender to send. I sent Zender from my phone to this tablet through Bluetooth. Then I tried sending apps through Zender, but it wasn't installing in this tablet. And but the only thing is I had to download some videos, kids videos, in my phone, then sending it through Zender to this phone. But at first, when I tried sending the videos to this phone, it wasn't installed, it wasn't entering the phone. They will tell you that the phone's memory is full. I was like, brand new tablets, how can the memory be full? But and right here, as you can see here, they wrote 32 GB. Like there is 32 gig in, like, the memory, the storage of this tablet is 32 gig. But there is no storage at all. Like, I found out that there is no storage at all. I have to use my memory card. I have a spare memory card. I have to install it right here. See the memory card here. So I tried putting the memory card, sending some of the songs that I downloaded in my phone, and it entered. So as you can see, this tablet doesn't have space. There's no storage in it. So you have to, if you're buying this tablet, this particular one, I don't know about others, but this model Q21, if you buy it, you have to install, you have to buy memory card as well, because it doesn't come with any storage. But they wrote right here, they wrote that it has 32 gig storage. So, and the thing is, the truth about this is, this tablet, it's nice, it's okay for your kid. If your kid is careful, your kid is not those careless, your kid is probably not careless and doesn't throw things on the floor, this tablet is going to last. But if your kid is the type that throws things on the floor and doesn't care, all those stubborn kids that they don't know how to use stuffs, I don't think this is the right tablet to buy. Maybe you should go for the stronger types, but this one, I don't think this is strong enough. So the reason I made this video is that today I tried putting this tablet, I tried putting some videos for my kid, and I don't know, they started showing enter pin, and normally it has a default pin like 0000. That's the default pin. So I've tried putting the default pin a couple of times. It's not coming up. They are still telling me wrong pin, and I'm like, what happened? Like, what am I supposed to do now? I mean, the tablet, I'm tired of this tablet. I don't understand. Like, what am I supposed to do? Is either I take it back to the place I bought it, or I look for someone else to reset it. So I don't know where the pin, because I didn't put pin in this tablet, and I don't know, maybe my daughter pressed something, I have no idea. But she's not old enough to go to settings, to know what settings is all about. All she knows is put the cartoon for her so that she will watch. She's just 2 years, so I don't understand where this is coming from. So you see, that is why I said most of these tablets, they won't really tell you, the vendors won't really tell you the truth behind these tablets. You just see all these flashy stuffs, the packaging. Yes, they are very nice, all these gifts, they are very nice, but the truth behind this is that some of these tablets, work, I'm telling you. So this tablet, since I got it, I don't even know what I've used. You can't install apps. So what's the need of buying the tablet? You can't install apps. See the stress I went through just to put songs in this tablet, just to put videos here. It's not worth it at all, seriously. It's just that you just have to manage it and be using it. So now, I don't know, I'll just have to look for something to do to this. So that is it, guys. Please, this is my honest review. This is my own honest review on this tablet, this Q21 ATOUCH tablet. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.